Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm bending down because I want you to see my beautiful dress that I am wearing tonight to celebrate. Let me fix the camera here. Tonight is the celebration of my home care company 2nd year anniversary. We have already stepped into the beginning of our 3rd year already, so we are celebrating tonight with the entire crew. We are going to a cave. That's right. We are going to a wine cave. So underground, our own private space. I have lots of surprises for my staff. We are doing an award ceremony. We are doing oh my gosh, I made a video of a year in pictures. So the last year, all kinds of pictures with our caregivers and our team in action, doing fun things, team building activities. The video that I'm going to be showing them is about 4 minutes, but I want to take you along with us because this celebration means more to me than last year. This year, we have added so many new employees and we have the A-team. We are killing it, and I want to celebrate my group. They're the best. I love them all. I just cannot wait. So anyway, this is the dress that I'm wearing. It is satin. I got it at Macy's. I have this little necklace that Jess had gotten me a long time ago. And I know I have white gold and yellow gold. And one of you guys actually sent me this. This is a prayer box bracelet. Inside this little box, see it? I wrote down a couple little things with a very fine marker all that time ago, and it's in this little box. It opens up, and this is a prayer box, but it goes perfectly with the dress. Look at it. All the colors. So anyway, I'm going to turn you around. I want to show you. Actually, I'm just going to show you and you'll be able to see. But I'm wearing the gold heels. So I have white gold, yellow gold. I'm a mix. That's what I like. Don't come for me. And I'm so excited. Anyway, I have the number 2, a giant balloon. I have backdrop, I have balloon arches, I have gift bags and galore. You know me, I love to throw a party. And I mean, how do you not celebrate your team? And so blessed to have this beautiful home care company. It is allowing myself and my family and my team and their family to have a more prosperous life, but also filling that joy, that internal calling that I have as a nurse to take care of elderly people. I just love it. I love it. So come along with us tonight. We're going to go to the cave and we'll see you there. New Jersey, entering the wine cave. I'm so excited, you guys. What a gorgeous, gorgeous environment we have to celebrate our 2nd year anniversary. Let's go through the curtain into the cave. We have a lounge area for everybody to hang out in if they want to. And we have candles lit all around. It's quiet, peaceful. We have the whole room to ourselves. We're expecting guests. Let me show you some of the decor. I'm going to be doing a nice presentation. So we have the monitor set up. I've got the laptop ready to go. Look at this. So beautiful. Wine barrels full of wine. Look at this. It's gorgeous.